Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the OBD port, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So the OBD port, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we'll demonstrate on this generation BMW X3, X4. As you know, BMW X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so everything should work on both guys, most of the things at least. Now, you have multiple fuse boxes. The one that we need is on the passenger side. Open the passenger door, open your glove box, remove everything out of the glove box. In the very back on the right side you have that cover, press that tab, remove the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here we need to check one fuse. We'll talk about the relays in a little bit, but if your diagnostic scanner does not communicate with the car, it cannot turn on, okay, that means it's not getting power. If you bought the vehicle used, it might be, you may have a dummy port installed, okay, and the real one is hidden somewhere else to prevent stealing the vehicle. But if everything else is good and it still doesn't work, what do you guys need to check? One fuse now. So if we come in that upper section here, that's fuse 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 3 is the one that you will guys need to check right here. Now relays, you don't have relays. That fuse is known as a relay fuse. So if you have problems with the OBD port, always check that fuse first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.